see. Okay, we are live. This is day number 2 of learning HTML. Yay! Not so much yay. It's kind of boring, but we have to do it. Okay, so what we're gonna start with links and images. We are going to do up to around here or here. Yeah, around here. We'll go all the way up to buttons today. That's where I'm willing to reach. Buttons at the end of buttons, and then I think forms is what I'm gonna do tomorrow. I'm gonna do forms tomorrow, and I'll do meta tags tomorrow, colors tomorrow, span and div. Then I'll stop at CSS. The next day we'll pick up CSS, and the goal here. Hold on a second, guys. Fucking window again. It's loud as fuck. I don't know why I always open the window. I guess it's because it's fucking annoying to have the window closed because I need fresh air to come into the house. But okay, let's see. So let's get started. But mm, fuck, annoying as fuck. Okay, why am I? All right, save. Oh, we don't have to do that. Save here. Links and images lesson. All right, this is okay. Whatever. Links and images lesson. Are you sure that's the right one? I believe so. I mean, no, it's in a different file. It's over here. It's right here, dude. Yeah, it's literally right there. The other one is, dude, like it's not even the same file path. Yeah, I think I know why. I think I know why. I think I know why. I do know why. We just have to delete this file, and then we can just bring these two files, move it to choose location. Where is it supposed to be? In documents, right? And then documents, new folder, move it to the new folder. There you go. You can get rid of these. We don't want to do that. We want to get rid of these ones over here. Okay, now I believe it should work because it's in the same file path as the others. Okay, you see that's how you learn HTML. And now he's going to obviously give the dimensions for how big the fucking picture is gonna be, which is what I'm gonna do right now. Height equals 250. How do you measure that out? Hold on, bro. Hold on a second, bro. 250, and then width equals 250 also. Okay. Save, and let's see what happens here. It becomes a lot smaller. Hold on, let me do this. Close that, lock it in, lock that in, and lock that in. Let's get that in there. What do you output? Let's get that back. Okay, let's go. Let's keep going. Hold on, bro. Let me write it down. I'm being very quick. I need to absorb the information here. 50%, and this has to be 50% also. Why does it have to be 50%? Let me open up the documentation for HTML. HTML documentation, here it is. So the attributes are here. Which attribute am I looking for? Height. Height attribute. canvas, embed, frame. But that's the elements. Okay. Apparently, learning from documentation is really what you should be doing most of the time. Come on, man, let's get this. Where is the height? Okay, there it is. It's right here. So those are the elements, and this is what it does. It specifies the height of elements listed here. For all of the elements, use the CSS height property. In some instances, such as div, this is a legacy attribute, in which case the CSS height property should be used instead. Okay, that's all. Okay, all right, and okay, percentage, but it doesn't tell us anything about percentage though. Maybe that's in here too. No, it's not. Yeah, but I kind of need you guys to explain me a bit more here. Okay, what about insert? What about the insert attribute? This depreciated API should no longer be used. Yeah, this is the documentation for HTML. Very essential that you go through these documentations here. Very important. All right, let's. Oh, that means that it's no longer stretched. Okay, interesting. Save. Test. Yeah, it's no longer stretched. All right. Really? Nice. So he wants me to copy this and then. Okay. Okay, so I need to set up the meme thing. Okay, we'll just download another meme and put it in the correct file path and call it meme number 3. Pretty simple. Save image as. You're gonna want to save it in the document here, right there, and then you're gonna want to rename it to meme 3. Rename meme 3. It doesn't matter which. Oh, it it fucking reorders it itself. That's interesting. Okay, very interesting stuff. Okay, let's change it. Meme 3. That's all really. That's all I gotta do is change it to meme 3 and then it'll recognize it. And then we'll... So we're good. Okay, why? But whatever, okay, I'll do it. I mean, I'll do whatever you tell me to do. The file path, you gotta copy and paste the file path, bro. That's literally what he just told you to do. Okay, I just did it. Now what? Within the source. Within the source. Okay, I will put it within the source right now. Fuck, where's my Visual Studio? Okay. He puts it within the store, within the source right here. Why would you do that? Okay, well, we'll see what happens. This Oh yeah, of course a backslash because you need to you know, make sure the computer knows where it is. Where the fuck is the backslash on my fucking keyboard? I don't know where it is. I literally can't find the backslash. Where's the backslash, guys? I don't know where the backslash is on my keyboard. Maybe I need to borrow a backslash from the internet or something. Man, where's my backslash, bro? I don't see it. Maybe I can find it somewhere. Okay, it's not there. It's not there either. Where's my backslash at? Oh yes, here it is. Found it. Took quite a while to find it. Yes. Now what? Refresh the page. Yeah, just. But why do you have to have the file path here? Why can't I just have meme3.jpg? I'm gonna try that too. Yeah, okay, it works. But what if I don't have the file path here? Imagine I don't have the file path here. Then what happens? Nothing? Nothing happens. No difference. There's literally no difference here, dude. Zero. Okay, well, we'll just put the file path back in there. Hey, how about that, buddy? Alright. Hold on a second. Why is this not the hyperlink? No. Say it correctly. There you go. And we're going to want to create an image tag, RC, and then we're going to do what exactly there? So I can just find a picture online. What? i.km-cdn.com photos, images, news feeds. Okay, I guess I'll just copy this. Alright, then I guess I'll just copy this part. Yeah, that's too long. Nobody's trying to like. What's up with the body here? Why is it red? I don't know. We need to specify the height though. So we're gonna have to do it. Ah, yes, I see why. I see why. Because there's no backslash here. Why not? I don't know. You need a backslash here. That's why it's doing something like that. What? It just disappeared. Okay, it's strange. Alright, hold on. Maybe SRC. No. No! I don't understand what's going on here, man. No, it's not an ML abbreviation. It's clearly something different. I'm trying to make this work. Okay, what is going on here? Oh, I see. That's what it's looking at. So you can find a picture anywhere online. Okay, let's go to this thing. But this is not a picture. Image address. Fuck off. Image address. That's the correct way to do it. There you go. It's much better. That works. I need some classical music here. I'm kind of dying of boredom and hunger. Pretty hungry too. Maybe I'll make some food in the meantime while I'm learning this. RC equals, so this is the link, the hyperlink, and then he wants to specify the height within the curly brackets. No, don't do that. Height is 50%, width is 50% also. Yes. Normally we'd have to put like little, that's fine. Yeah, I guess it doesn't really matter. Okay, now this should work pretty handily, hopefully, but okay, there you go. And you just copy the image, I guess. That's fine. Let me make my food now. Make some beans. Fucking beans, dude. Pause the. No, we'll just put it on there. So. gonna take a while. The food's on the stove. Let's get started. Continue. HTML. HTML sheet. So I need to download another meme. Just meme 4. You're gonna want to put it in the specified folder. Okay, that's good. Then you can just call it meme 4. JPEG. And is it gonna be 50% again? Always 50%. Dude, you're going too fast. You need to like slow down a little bit. Not everybody's as good as you at SQ, like HTML and shit, so just relax. I like to put little comments there, but I guess it's not really necessary. I don't care what it looks like. I don't really give a shit. Okay, and that's pretty much it. No, you need this there. And now save. There you go. Turn down the volume. Should be ready. Yeah, but I want to. So really what I gotta do is put the A tag here. Obviously bring it at the end of the file here. So that's gonna be the end. Well, obviously not that one. This one. And then he said you need a href. I'm trying not to look at the screen that he has there. I'm trying to do it myself, but Let me look at it. Let me just look at it. Okay, so it has to be here. Href equals Wikipedia page for skeletons. Wikipedia. Okay. Because it's relevant. But how do you close this? I think you would have to just have a little thing here that would help you out. Close it off, and that's about it. But no, it's not correct. No, you don't do that. It literally just ends there. You have the image file. It's incorrect. Yes, and then SRC, yes. Yes, yes, yes. And then at the end it's going to be there. Should work. Should be fine.
Refresh.
It's really cool. I think it works now. Save. And it takes me to the skeleton web page too. Okay.
Hyper.
He taught us already. To put it at the end of the file, does it? It depends on where you put it. So you can put it anywhere, or you have to put it. Okay. Save. Yes, remove that.
Useful.
I should read the documentation though for this. Target specifies where to open the linked document or where to display the response received. Yeah, this tutorial is very limited in scope. Like he doesn't teach us everything about HTML. This is like basically getting your feet wet. It's basically getting your feet wet. This is not enough. Like this tutorial is not enough. It's enough to get your feet wet, to like learn a little bit about the language here and there, but I'm not
This
really
topic.
like. Did I say I was gonna go up to? I said I was gonna go up to buttons. Lists. I'm gonna use a bunch of breaks and paragraphs. Alright, let me just save this stuff here. Links and images lesson. We are going to keep it in the same place. Yes, replace it. Make a new file. Get rid of it. We just saved it. Okay. Did I make any changes to it? What did I change here? Nothing. Toggle. Dude, like, come on, man. So annoying. Now I have to do it again. Target equals blank, motherfucker. Yes, there you go. Save it. Run. Perfect. Save. Yes. Yes, replace it. No, just give it. Oh yeah, I need the yes, this. Let me just get rid of all this. Hold on. Bye. And then I just need to copy this. And get rid of it. Save it. There you go. 2. It's my second day of learning HTML. Identifies a list of predefined options to suggest to the user. But okay, time for food. Let's go grab our food. I think it's ready now. Even though it's slop. Very tasty slop today. Great slop. So food's obviously not cooked yet. Okay, let's go.
Tags 4.
Yes, that's what it's for. HTML lists allow web developers to group a set of related items in lists. Example, an unordered HTML list is item, 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 item. An ordered HTML list, first item, second item, third item, fourth item. Okay, well, what do I do here then? Okay, so doc type, yeah, it's always the same. H2, that's just the second biggest, second smallest size. Yeah, okay. See what you're doing here. An ordered HTML is okay. I see. Get your own website. Build static websites. Edit your code and make it yours. Share your space with someone. First, I need to learn HTML, guys. Let's not get too ahead of ourselves here. Alright then, let's switch it.
As a bonus at the end of how
Oh, we need a description list too. Other lists. Description lists, okay. The HTML OL tag defines an ordered list. An ordered list can be numerical or alphabetical. Ordered HTML list. An ordered HTML list starts with the OL tag. Each list item starts with the. Okay, we need to get rid of this and this and this and this. Let's keep this stuff. An ordered list starts with the OL tag. So it's like it begins at the top, but you always have to have this. Each list item starts with the list tag. The list items will be marked with numbers by default. And how does the unordered list start? UL. And the ordered list starts with OL. Okay. Okay, well, I mean, that's pretty simple. But what about nested lists? Uppercase Roman letters. Lowercase Roman letters. Lowercase letters, uppercase letters, numbers. can put anything on there, but what would this do? Just 1, 2, 3? But I don't know. Huh. 1, 2. So it automatically generates numbers, just like that. That's probably built-in. Like it's a built-in function, dude. It's not that hard to figure out. I don't like cheese. I don't like cheese. I think I'll go with vegan cheese. What should we have on the pizza? I think I'll go with paprika. I like paprika a lot as well. Let's put paprika on that. We're gonna save it as a um, what lesson is this? Lists lesson HTML. Lists lesson number 1. There you go. We'll just put it in there. We're not overwriting it, right? Yeah, okay. Save as, put it there, place it, and then take this. There you go. It's pretty big. But the size, I want it to be bigger. So I can make it H1, obviously. Yeah, that's pretty easy. You just have to do this, I believe. I think. I mean, I might be like stupid, but I'm not that stupid. Alright, so copy and paste all this. Put it in the middle of here. And then just get rid of this stuff. Does that even work? Like, it does work, yeah. It works. It looks kind of messy though. Maybe I can like order it a bit more. Oh no, look at that. Just put it there and then indent it. Does that still work? Let's see. Yes, good.
So that's pretty cool.
Of course, I've already used the H1 heading. I guess I can get rid of that. I wanted it to encompass the whole thing, but I guess we can just go for a heading. Who cares? H4 heading, and we're gonna say we're gonna call it um, recipe for pizza or something. My recipe for pizza. And how do you encompass? Let's see what it does. It works, but we can also have insert there as well. That would be helpful, I think, for an underline. ins, yes, force, copy, paste there, and then you would have to just get rid of this guy there. Then save, give me an underlining here right there. You could also put it bold too if you want, but
This and we'll
oh no. Over here. Hold on. List dash style dash type, and then you would put. Let me get rid of that. That might be wrong though.
circle.
List dash style dash type, and then it's supposed to be circle. What's going on here, buddy? It's supposed to be circle, and there's not supposed to be a little. Yeah, put that there, and then get rid of this. That should be fine.
Is it?
Really? Very nice. You can change the thing here. I do want this to be bigger though, so I guess I'll make it like H1. Yeah, you could encompass H1 into the whole thing here. It's not too hard. It's incredibly easy. H1 and then just compass it through the whole file here. And we'll just delete that shit there. And this should be fine. I kind of want it to be bigger, but I don't want it to be that big. So I think I'll make it H3 or something like that. It's H4, it's smaller. This is smaller than that. Can't be smaller. Make it H1 first. And then I'll save it. It's better. It's a bit better, I guess. A little bit better. It's an unordered list, and it has to encompass the whole document. So
Colon.
Square looks a bit better. Could I make it a triangle? I think that works too. I'm not sure, but no, it's not possible. Triangle doesn't work. So you can make it square or circle, but not a rectangle. I don't know, rectangle should be possible. Come on, bro. Let's get this rectangle going. No, just square and circle.
And also put
You can also put none there too. Yeah, that can work. Hold on, why don't we? Alright, let's try that too. Let's try putting a circle here. Let's go for that. Let's see what happens with this. It's the same, it's just extra. It's just extra words.
and the original by default is
I'm gonna want this one to be the same size as the. I'm gonna make it H1 probably. Can't be bigger than we are. You're gonna want to put the insert there as well. Yeah.
list items within an order.
easy, right? Order list. So what does this do? It's just lowercase Roman letters. Well, how do you know the difference? Because you use I. Yeah, you use I. So, so
And
hold on. It's because you have I there. Each item on the list will increment by 1 because you have the type 1 in the start 100. So it just keeps adding 1 to the list. Adding 1 to the list. Taking 1 from there and adding it to the start. Adding it, adding it, adding it, adding it. I mean, it depends on how many elements you have in the list. If you have more elements in the list, it's going to keep doing it until it stops. Beautiful language.
to
I should make a couple lists, a couple comments here or something, so I can like remember what I learned. We'll do it on the outside of the document. To start an unordered, so you need to use the UL tag and in compass into compass the effect use the OL telegram. Okay, whatever. Cool. That's fine.
This comment.
Description list. How do you have a description list? Or a list inside of a list. Description list. I am going to eat my lunch now, so kind of have to eat now. So I'll pick this up again later in like a couple of hours after I'm done eating. And I will continue learning HTML from the 54-minute mark.